Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make this cute and so easy hat. We will just make a rectangle and even a beginner can easily make it, and we are gonna use a super bulky yarn. I use this yarn. It's 100 grams, 100 meters. I use more than one ball. I use 120 grams of yarn for the hat, and it recommends 3mm hook, but of course it's not possible. It's a thick yarn, and it has this colorful things. It looks lovely. I used 8mm hook, and I made a matching scarf. You can find this on my channel too. Both are so simple and cozy. I hope you like them. If you are ready with this video, we are gonna make this hat. We can start now. Start with the slip knots. I'm gonna make 31 chains. I tried before. I made 11 chains and put 10 half double crochet on it and make a few rows. It was 10 centimeters long. So if I started with 31 chains, it will be 30 centimeters. And that's good for an adult. If you are starting for a child, you can start with 25 centimeters long chains. Stitch counts, it's not important for this hat. Okay, don't worry about it, just use the measurements. And you can find all sizes measurements on Google. Just search baby measurements, baby head measurements, or 13 years head measurements. You can find anything on Google. I'm gonna make 31 chains. I complete the chains, then turn back, skip the first chain. I'm gonna turn my chains and I will use these back bumps. Insert into the second one. Okay, yarn over, insert here. Grab the yarn. I have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through. Make a half double crochet. For this row, I'm gonna put 1 half double crochet into each chain. See you in the end. And I'm in the end. That's the last one. Chain 1, turn. Now, starting from here, we will repeat this second row. And we are gonna make half double crochets again, but we will use these first loops. That's the back loop, front loop, and there is one more loop here. I can call it first loop. Insert your hook here. Make a half double crochet. If you are a starter, you can put a stitch marker here. This will be my last stitch for the next row. I'm using these first loops. Just keep repeating. I'm at the end and this will be my last stitch. You see, that's the back loop, front loop, first loop. Chain 1, turn, and make a half double crochet from the first loop again. Put a stitch marker here. And see at the end. I'm almost at the end. I'm gonna make one here and put one more here. Then chain 1, turn, keep repeating. You can put the stitch marker here and make it as long as you want. I'm not sure how many rows I will make. I will turn back in a second and give you the measurements. You can simply wrap it around your head and find the right measurements for you. I'm just making it and turn back to you. I complete this rectangle. I made 30 rows. It's 46 centimeters, 18 inches long. Now I'm gonna join. I didn't make it so tight. If you want, you can make maybe 2 rows less. It will not fit your head tightly. Now that's my finishing point and that's my starting point. Insert from this first chain, grab this loop, make a chain, insert same place, and from here insert only back loop here, make a slip stitch, insert both loops, back loop, slip stitch, both loops, back loop, slip stitch. Join 10 stitches. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Then turn it. Turn inside out. Insert from this next stitch, first empty stitch. You can make a chain. Insert same place and insert both loops from here to Starting from here, we will use both loops. Grab the yarn, make a slip stitch. And join the rest with the same way. That's the last one. Then chain one, leave a long tail, cut the yarn. And I'm gonna grab a yarn needle, close here. And that's all. I'm gonna fold here and it will look good. You can see the joining point, I think. And it's so easy, as you know, and I hope you like this tutorial. If you like, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sirin's Crochet is my Instagram address. You can reach me there. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.